All right, what's good, y'all? So, if you're seeing this video, welcome to the next video in our course, and I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how this works. All right, so um, by now you should already have your broker account created. You should have your bot downloaded to your laptop. I showed you guys how to put it onto your chart here, and how to turn on and off. Right. So, next thing that you want to do is you want to get a strategy down so you can stay profitable, right? If you're just using this and you're just letting it run without any type of plan, any type of strategy, most likely you're probably just going to blow your account, especially if you are over leveraging. Okay, so first things first is you do not want to over leverage, because the way that this bot trades is going to take multiple trades if there's like a spike in the market, right? If a spike in the market is to happen, then it's going to get into multiple trades and it may get into drawdown, right? So you want to make sure that you are using proper risk management. That's why I tell people to put it on 0.01 to start off, okay? Especially if you're using a low account size. So I'd usually turn on the bot from anywhere after 12 a.m. to 7 a.m., right? So to turn it on and off, you're just going to come up here to this top button here, click it on. All right, well, first make sure you're on the 15-minute time frame. Turn it on. Okay. There it goes. All right, so sometimes you have to turn it to the lower time frame, and then I would turn it back to the 15-minute just to be safe. Okay, so you see here, it'll get into trades automatically, right when you press auto trading. So to turn it off, before you turn it off, right, you want to make sure if you're cool with the profit that you made for the day, then you're just going to close out, right? And sometimes you may have to close out with it in drawdown, right? But you're still going to be in profit for the day. But if you're done, you want to close out of these, just click the X, right? Click the X on all those, and then click this button, auto trading off, right? But we're just going to leave that on, let these get into profit, and then close out of these and then turn it off, right? So this is basically how it works, right? And then you just do that. I usually trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, right? That's usually when I run the bot. That's the best days for me. Some people, they use it on Sundays and Mondays, but I've learned that at the beginning of the market, when it first opens, there's not that much movement, right? So sometimes I would start the bot on Sunday and then be in drawdown all the way till Tuesday. So now I just use it on Monday going into Tuesday, right? So Monday night going into Tuesday morning, I turn it on about 1, 2 a.m. Then I let it go to about 7 a.m. Eastern time, turn it off, take my profit, and then I turn it back on the following day at around like 1, 2 a.m. Right. So one of the things that you want to make sure that you do, you always want to come over here to Forex Factory, right, and check the news. Because although there is a news filter, right? So there is, let me show you guys, there is a news filter. Properties, scroll down. All right, so if you go to settings, you can see here there is a news filter built into this bot. Where is it at? Right here. All right, so you can see here US news filter. You turn this to true, and then that means it'll avoid getting into trades during the news, right? During major news. But you just want to be sure. So you always want to come over here to forexfactory.com and check to see if there's going to be any major news dropping, especially in USD. Okay, so this is broken down into 3 different categories: yellow folder, which is low impact news; orange folders, which is mild; and then red is major news, right? Major news events with a high impact. All right, so you're going to see the pair right here, under currency. You'll see impact folder, and then what exactly is going on for the details, right, for this news event. So whenever you see a red folder, that just means there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market, right? So what I mean by a lot of volatility, So for example, like this move here, right? This long bearish candle shot all the way down, right? Spiked all the way down. This was probably most likely when major news event hit, right? And it just spiked all the way down. So you don't want to use the bot when it does moves like that, because it's going to get into a lot of trades, and then you're going to see some drawdown. All right, so you want to try to avoid news events. So what I do is an hour before news drops, right? I come over here, I check Forex Factory. If I see a red folder about to happen, whatever the time is, I try to turn it off an hour before. Okay, so for example, today is the 23rd. Tomorrow, all right, so it's a bank holiday, so markets will be down, right? So there won't be really any movement at all till probably a little bit on the 26th, right? So 8:30 a.m. on the 26th, I will probably not use the bot. I'll turn it off 7:30, which it'll be off anyways, and then I probably won't turn it back on until um, yeah. Okay. So yeah, holidays till Tuesday, January 2nd, right? Probably like around 3:15, probably about like 3 a.m. on Thursday, right? So that's probably the next time that I will turn on the bot. So Thursday, uh, what's that? January 2nd. Okay, so next week. So yeah, all right. So we got a little bit of downtime, all right, and it's just because of the holidays, and then we got New Year's. So this is really was the last day to get any profits for the year. So hopefully you guys ended it strong, and then we'll go into 2025, starting it back up, right? So on January 2nd. All right, so you guys want to make sure that you get the bot. We are going to do $50 off, right? $50 off for until January 1st, right? That's when the promo ends. So you want to make sure you take advantage of that, and get set up so that when January 2nd comes back around, then you're ready to go, right? You got your broker account, you got your bot, you're ready to start 2025 making a passive income for yourself. All right, so this is how it works. This is how one way, right, that you can create a passive income and escape the matrix and create time freedom for yourself. So when the bot is trading, you can be working on other things, right, while your investment is growing daily. So yeah, y'all, this is how it works. And like I said, you want to make sure you go into it with a strategy, with a plan. So like I said, that's my plan. I usually only use it from 2 a.m. to about 7 a.m., turn it off, and avoid major news events. And then I do some extra things too. I'll show you guys in the next training video on how to draw up your own analysis and then mix the bot with your analysis, right? Which will really keep you profitable and keep you out of that drawdown. All right, y'all. So go ahead, purchase the bot, get ready for this new year. You can click the link above. Also, use the broker that we are using, Extreme Markets, so that you can get your MT4 platform. If you already have an MT4 platform you want to use, then go ahead. But that's the one that I'll be using. Okay, so click that link, create your broker account, make your deposit. If you don't know how to do that, then just watch the video before, right? Watch the video that I just posted before and follow those instructions on how to get everything set up. And yeah, let's go. You can also text me on my number when you get done at 614-602-2904. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments or just send me a message. All right, y'all. So hopefully you guys have a profitable holiday. Like I said, I'm not going to go broke for these holidays. I'm going to set myself up passive incomes up. I'm going to set myself up assets that are going to make me money instead of take money away. All right. For some of you guys, you're going to go broke for this holiday, right? And you're going to go into 2025 the same way that you went into 2024. I'm not doing that no more, right? I'm choosing to switch it up. So yeah, y'all, let's get it. Let's get it. And this is just one passive income stream, right? This is one way that we can make money in our sleep. All right. So you want to set up multiple income streams like this. Once you get one going and automated, then move on to the next one, get that one set up, and so on and so on. All right, y'all. So I love y'all. Now you can do about it. Know what got to here, Mr. Laptop Lifestyle. If you didn't know, now you know what I'm trying to do is grow. Like I always say, make the rest of it the best of it. And I'll meet you at the top because that bottom is way too crowded. Let's go.